In this episode, we're doing a tablescape for Valentines. So if you want to see how it turns out, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello everyone, I'm Stephanie of CreativelyMsMe, decorating on a budget. Today I am participating in the Tablescape Tuesday, and it is hosted by Anna at the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Courtney at Amethyst Adventures, and their co-host is Candy at Tablescapes by Candy. Now, if you're not familiar with anyone's channel, I have a link to their channel down below and the playlist when it becomes available. Now, if you want to see what I did for this challenge, Now, here are some of the items I'm going to be using on this tablescape. I have this red candle, this bicycle, and red hard placemat. I'm using those. I might be using this, I'm not sure. I have my red lantern that was purchased at Walmart. The red placemats were from Walmart. The two pillowcases here are from Amazon. The white candle came from Amazon. The hard plates, Hobby Lobby. The red and white plates from the Dollar Tree. These white flowers from Amazon. The white chargers came from Hobby Lobby. The red wine glasses were thrifted. The clear wine glasses were from IKEA. The heart napkin rings are from Amazon. The red napkins and white napkins are from eBay. And I'm not sure if I'm going to use everything that's on the table or add more to it. So just keep watching. Now, I'm really liking how everything turned out. I'm loving the new hard plates. Those are the only things that were purchased on this table. Everything else on here was already in my stash. And I'm really liking how it turned out. It looks so pretty. And I think we will enjoy this on our Valentine's Day. So let me know what you think about my tablescape down below. You know I love reading your comments. And don't forget to check out the other participants in the playlist. They will be linked down below when it becomes available. If you want to see more, click the video here or the link down below, and you be blessed.